In this video, I am going to tell you how you can teach your students. Here are 5 simple tricks that you can use to teach your students. Number 1. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that can help students remember information more easily. For example, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally" can help students remember the order of operations in math, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Number 2. Break information down into smaller chunks. Rather than overwhelming students with large amounts of information at once, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This will help students process the information more effectively. Number 3. Use visual aids. Visual aids such as diagrams, charts, and pictures can help students understand and remember information more easily. They can also make the learning process more engaging and interesting. Number 4. Encourage student participation. Encourage students to participate in the learning process by asking questions, sharing their thoughts and ideas, and engaging in discussions. This will help students to develop their critical thinking skills and deepen their understanding of the subject matter. Number 5. Provide feedback. Provide feedback to students on their progress and performance. This will help them to identify areas where they need to improve and develop a better understanding of the subject matter. Positive feedback can also be a powerful motivator for students to continue learning and growing. Use these tips to teach your students to make them confident. I hope you learned something from here. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.